Let's take a look at your goals so far for Campaign 14. So here we are in Campaign 14, and I am a new representative. This is my second order. So my goal is $150 in sales, and I am working towards the Kickstart incentive program. All of the incentives can be found on avonnow.com under the sales incentives link on your homepage. Be sure to check all of them out and see which ones you want to work towards. Remember, all sales placed either through your online store or physically or traditionally on Avon Now will count towards this goal. Online store orders do take a few days to process, so keep that in mind when you're reaching for your goal. Take a moment today to check where you're at. Call 866-513-2866, option 2, then option 3 to check your award sales, or view your sales tracker on avonnow.com. Again, all sales combine together to reach this goal, and they can be submitted at any time, as many times as you want. Online store sales and orders over $40 have free shipping, and tomorrow there is free shipping with a $25 order. So that's something to be promoting today. So let us know how you're tracking towards your goals. This is the Campaign Goal Tracker. Best of luck in Campaign 14.